So here's a quick tutorial to install Chrome extensions on your smartphone. So let's get started. Alright, so here you can see currently I'm on my Google Chrome, and if you click on these three vertical dots in the top right, you can see right here we don't have any option to install the Google Chrome extensions. So to do that, all you need to do, you're gonna go to your Play Store and search for Kiwi browser. Now this is a browser with a feature of extensions. On this browser you can easily install all the extensions of Google Chrome. So just go ahead and download this. Alright, so we have done. Now simply open it up. And once you click on these three vertical dots in the top right, here you can see we have extensions tab. So click on that, and now we have four options: from store, from zip, pack extension, and update. So you have to hit from store. It will redirect you to Google Chrome Web Store, and here you have to search for the extension you want to add. So I'm going to search for ChatGPT, and you can see right here we have the ChatGPT for Google, and just simply go ahead and add this. Now this extension will be added to your Kiwi browser, and from there you can easily access that out. So this is basically how you can install Google Chrome extension on your smartphone. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.